Yes, my wonderful people, countryman is back. You know them at the channel, some Russians. Me have all of the things, me have to tell them about it. But I want to talk about this boy in front of it, Adrian Lawrence. And how the feds them take him down. Now, on the spot news media talk about it. But me I showing you some documents. Yo, that boy I'm gonna live a prison. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, this notorious scammer, the feds them take him down. And what was interesting about this scammer right here, he has been scamming from about 2010. I think he might be even a deportee. 2013, I mean. He might be even a deportee. But this youth right here, let me show you something. Look at the screen in front of you. That's the U.S. Attorney, J.M. Shields, and that's the official charge document for Adrian Lawrence, also known as Mastermind. Look at that carefully. Look at the screen in front of you. It says, this guy Mastermind, this is what they're laying out, the feds them laying out in court, that Mastermind, along with others, conspired and ripped people off, at least 51 people of over $5.6 million. Now, I just want you guys to understand how many police agency was tracking this guy. From them said 2013 to 2020. So at least 7 years or a decade of frauding people. Now, you had the Federal Trade Commission. They were involved in that investigation. You have the FBI. They were involved in that investigation, and it was several different parts of the FBI. It was the Cybercrime Division and another division, a specially unknown part of the FBI who track international scammers. So they work within the FBI and they're a very special squad. Now, there was also the US Marshals that was tracking this dude. And there was also IRS agents that was tracking this dude. And it was also postal agent, meaning the post office have their own police in America, and the postal agents were there tracking them. Now, one of these agency spokesman made a comment that they have been tracking down criminals for 200 years. I think it's the US Marshal and the postal police made a comment, and they said anybody who steals from the elder to their system, they're gonna find them because they have been tracking people for at least 200 years. So I'm just explaining to you, y'all, how serious and how critical this was. Now, look at Usain Bolt and look what happened to Usain Bolt among others, and nobody is in jail. I want you guys to do the comparison, you know. Nobody is in jail. And there is still more fraud popping up with Seagore Limited, all sort of stuff. And it just seems like there's fraud everywhere in Jamaica. Now, the FBI and the US government, the US attorney in New York tracked this guy down, him and his friends them, and he was in Panama. Cause obviously him cut from Jamaica or cut from America and went to Panama to hide out and live. And the US government found him in Panama. Let me repeat that again. Adrian Lawrence was not caught in Jamaica. He was caught in Panama. Now, take a time and look at the charges that this young man got. At the screen in front of you, you see him have a couple different charges. Even charges date back from 2017, 2013. $500 wire transfer from the victim, and then him have 3 charges of over 10,500. Now there's another charge in August 2018, and it goes on and on. Now this is a legit document from the US attorney in New York who tracked this brother down and got him in Panama. So I just want you all to see the severity that this young man and the other people them get themselves into. And like I said, me just want kind of juxtapose and make a comparison, compare to how the Jamaican police them investigate fraud cases and how stuff is delivered. Because I got up this morning, Sunday, and I looked at the Jamaican newspaper and stuff like that, and the amount of fraud case on top of murder case and other stuff just coming out. And it doesn't seem like Jamaica have the right fraud laws in place. Or we know the system can't handle it because you have more crime than trained professionals and proper infrastructure. But yeah, back to this guy, Adrian Lawrence. Adrian Lawrence has gotten himself into some serious thing. And I think for this case, they're gonna make an example. Cause we know they caught a lot of fraud people and thing, but this one, if you notice, like I said, this young man had cut from Jamaica and went to Panama and things said everything is good. What they did, they track him, they watch him, they follow him, and they went and picked him up. It was a couple different agencies that target this young man and him crew, and them call him Mastermind. Now let me know what you guys think about Mr. Mastermind and what you guys think about this story. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. And like I said, they had hacked the channel. I said that earlier, but I was able to recover back everything and got everything under control. It was some people from Russia, and I don't know why, if it was a targeted attack or it was just a random thing. But I'm gonna do a video on that after this. I'm out.